You know what you came here for. Sit back and tune in for EISHATAYLORE. Yeah.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, EISHATAYLORE. Y'all ever was sitting there, looked at the time, and it's like 10:30 at night, and like, maybe it would be a good idea to wash my hair? That is me right now. I want to wash my hair. So in my previous video, y'all was saying that you want to see my journey of how I repair my damage in the front. Thank you for all the positivity. I am glad that so many people don't see me as like a sellout or whatever. Life happens, things happen. And so I'm excited that you guys are gonna be part of this journey with me of just making sure that I am on track for one, but also just like, you know, letting you guys see how I bounce back from this. So all week I had my hair in this hairstyle, like literally I don't have any added hair or anything. For this week I want to do an actual hairstyle. Ooh, hold on, what did I use in my hair? Because this is low-key a bomb braid out and it feels really hydrated. What I want to do for this wash day is do things a little bit backwards. I don't know if y'all are watching my shorts. If not, I mean, watch them. But in one of the shorts, I mentioned that I'm using K18. Now, this is the first time, child, hello. Okay, this is what it looks like. I've never used K18, but I've been hearing that it's comparable. Some people even saying that it's better than Olaplex. Once I use this a couple times, I really have my thoughts all together. I will do a video comparing which is better. When you're using K18 though, it's not a washout situation. Like, you have to shampoo your hair, don't use a deep conditioner, only use this, leave it in, and then proceed to style. My issue with that is though, is that I want to deep condition. So I've been looking at a couple other reviews and they're saying that you can deep condition first, then shampoo, and then proceed with the instructions K18 is suggesting. So I'm like, bet. So that's what we're gonna do today, because I just feel like my hair, not that I need to deep condition, but I just feel like I need to. What? I'm gonna be using the Alikay Beauty Blue Tan Z Reparative Mask for damaged and color treated hair. Y'all know this is one of my favorite deep conditioners. In one of my MT's videos or something, I said I may not revisit this deep conditioner, but the ingredients are fine, so don't even worry about it. Oh my god. You ever want to just like use your teeth? Are you freaking kidding me? If I was stuck on a dessert and they jam-packed that thing in here, y'all, like jam the heck pack. All right, so I'm gonna apply this to my hair. My hair actually feels really hydrated, I'm not even gonna lie. I did blow dry my hair for this style, but I use like 3 heat protectants, whatever. Like I said, my damage to my hair is not heat damage, so that's that. The damage that I'm targeting is only the front of my hair, but I do want to treat just like my whole head with the same measurement. Like, I'm not trying to get confused, so you know, I'm just gonna do the same thing to my whole head. I look crazy, but I'm gonna go underneath the dryer for about like five-ish minutes. I'm not trying to like bake this deep conditioner, especially since I do have gel in my hair since I had it braided. So I don't want to do too much to it. You can see like literally I have gel in my hair. So this was kind of maybe not the best idea. I don't know. I think it's gonna work. I think it's fine. I realized that going underneath the dryer, like a hooded dryer, is better if you have damaged hair. Steaming your hair is more for maintenance. So I'm gonna go back and forth between the two. I haven't been going underneath the dryer with my deep conditioner in quite some time. I've only been steaming my hair. So that's gonna be a change as well. So let me just go underneath for a few minutes and I'll be back. Okay, from underneath the dryer, my hair actually feels really soft. So I'm glad I did this. I'm gonna let my hair cool down just a bit before I hop into the shower so I don't get a cold shower. But as you can see, like literally the damage is like right here. Like, it's just in the front of my hair. But the rest of my hair feels really good. But like I said, I'm gonna treat my whole head as if it's damaged just to make sure that it keeps its elasticity. I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo my hair. So I'm gonna use the matching shampoo, the Alikay Beauty Lutanzi clarifying shampoo. I'm only using this one because I have gel in my hair and I need to make sure that it stripped out my hair. All right, y'all, we are back with conditioned first, you know, and shampooed and towel dried hair. The K18 says to apply on towel dry hair, so that's what I'm doing. Again, this is my third time now using K18. It recommends to use at least 4 to 6 washes. I'm aiming for 4, maybe 5. Because this is such a small bottle, I have the 15 ml. I'm going to start in the front first. Again, the damage is mainly just the front. So if I don't have enough to go to the rest of my hair, then I simply won't. I think I've been doing 4 pumps. So let me tell you my thoughts on this so far though. Because it's a leave-in treatment, I can't really tell if it's working. And it leaves in and then you kind of like proceed with styling with your own products. So it's just like, how do I know it's working? I really don't know. I'm just gonna be consistent and apply it throughout my whole head, but obviously y'all saw that I focused on the front, which is actually looking pretty good. I did a little trim last weekend, so that may have helped a lot. So this stuff makes my hair like really pillowy soft, and you leave it on for 4 minutes, don't do anything, and then after 4 minutes you detangle and then proceed to style. So that's what I'm gonna end up doing. You only got 4 minutes to say what I gotta say to make you stay. The hell, don't you hate when you can't tell the lyrics of a song unless the song's on? It's been 4 minutes and my hair feels pillow soft. Now I'm gonna go ahead and section out my hair and detangle as it says in the instructions. Now, I'm not even gonna lie, this stuff makes my hair feel a lot more manageable, which is always a good thing. All right, all detangled. And so now after doing that with the K18, you can proceed to style. So I'm gonna do a twist out. I'm gonna be using my Nature's Little Secrets products. I'm doing that twist out that I did that had like 2 little braids in the front, just because since the front is damaged, I don't want to try to make it into a twist. It's just not gonna work. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make a braid. Now I'm gonna be using the Nature's Little Secret Banana Leave-In Conditioner, as well as the Nature's Little Secret Avocado Moisture Cream. And the style of this show is gonna be the Nature's Little Secret Ochre Curl Defining Gel. Y'all, this stuff is awesome. So it's gonna be one or the other for these. For the front section of my hair, since it's gonna be a braid, I'm just gonna use the avocado cream just to make sure my hair is really, really moisturized. Since my hair is towel dried because of the K18, I'm gonna apply a little bit more water to apply my leave-in conditioner. Again, I'm gonna use the banana leave-in conditioner. All right, and now I'm gonna apply my ochre defining gel. Since this is kind of a bigger section, I'm gonna do I'm gonna do a 3-strand twist. I have a video on my channel. I will link it up above and also in the description bar for you guys on how to do a 3-strand twist and comparing a 3-strand twist to a 2-strand twist. I'm gonna go ahead and proceed to do 3-strand twists around my head just because it's easier and it's late. And then I'm gonna go underneath the dryer just so I'm not going to bed with wet hair. And I will come back in the morning and show y'all what it looks like. I did have to put a skinny little flexi rod on here just because this one wasn't trying to curl. But I'm happy to report that everything else has a little coil at the ends. So like I said, the amount of damage on my actual head is not that much, which is good. Okay, so I ended up just putting some beads on already. I went with clear this time just so it's kind of like less out there. The other one was cute too, but you know, sometimes you gotta switch it up. I separated my hair, I fluffed it a little bit, I stretched it. I think heatless stretch. I do have a heatless stretching video on my channel. I'll link it for you guys. I think I stretched it a little bit too much, but we all know like this is some of the damage too. I should have probably did a flexi rod, but it actually doesn't look that bad. Might just tuck it and call it a day. Like, you know what I mean? Like I gotta work with what I got. It's a breakage because it's shorter. As I showed y'all in the other video, just postpartum breakage. But I'm just gonna let my hair do what it wants to do. Probably put a pin there. So I hope you found this video helpful. Again, I will be continuing to show you my wash day routine for this damaged hair of mine. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.